Hello everybody. After a long day at work, it's time to go for a walk around the neighborhood and breathe in some fresh air. I hope you enjoy it with us. Nice to see the trees blooming around our house. When we get home, guess who wants to play more?
Where are you? There you are. You gonna go get it, Porter? Porter, go get it. Go. Come here. Wanna do it again? Okay. Okay, go! Want it again? Give it to me.
And it's time to go inside to make some dinner. For dinner, we're gonna have miracle noodles and spaghetti sauce. These noodles are plant-based, helps keep the carbs down, and I'm gonna use the spaghetti sauce, and I'm gonna make some ground turkey with spices and jalapenos in it to give the spaghetti sauce a kick, and that's what's for dinner. And before I take them down, I wanted to give you guys a little preview of my Easter/spring home decor DIYs that I made. I'm about to take them down, and I just kind of wanted to show it to you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, stay safe and stay home.